about these directories and subdirectories. You can type ls dash dash help. Yeah, so this will give you all possible commands that you can add to the ls to get more information. So you say ls-a set all, so it will bring you all everything in that directory. Your ls-capital A almost all, do not less implied, and others. We have -b, capital B. There are many, so you can go through them and check which one you want to add to your line of code before you print it out. So there are many, you can read it and add it when you forget about what to add to get more info about the directory or a sub. But remember, not every application or command supports both the dash help and the -h. So don't get confused. If you try using -h and it doesn't work, try using the -h, or you can use dash question mark. It's an invalid option, so it can work on some commands. In some too, it will not work. So don't worry. If you try the dash question mark, it doesn't work, try the dash help -h. That one doesn't work, try dash help. One will work for you. Okay, that's it. Now let's clear our screen and move on to the next command. And we open the command. Okay, so our next command is, what if you want to find stuffs? The command we are going to use here is called locate, then followed by the keyword that you want to search for. So let's say we want to find nmap. So locate nmap. Okay, so we have so many files with the nmap. Any directory that have the keyword nmap will show up here. It saves us time from going through applications like here, this application here, to find nmap. You say nmap is what we want to find it. We just open our terminal, we say locate nmap. In which directory is nmap located? It gives us the possible directories where we can find our nmap. This is the directory where nmap is located. Okay, not only locate that we can use, we can also find binary file. In Windows we call it executable files in Kali using the whereis command. Where is nmap? This is our nmap executable file. This is our nmap executable file where it is located. So remember, we use the locate to locate where we can find any map on our system. Any keyword with the name nmap will show up, but when we use the whereis command, it gives us the executable file of that keyword that we search for. So you have to know the difference between the whereis and the locate. Okay, if you want to find the path of an application, what command are we going to use? We have a command called fetch. So the fetch command gives us a specific location of a binary. Say fetch and map. Give us just the specific location. Compare it to the whereis, give us some 3 locations of nmap, but with the fetch command, give us a specific one where it is located, usr/bin/nmap. So this is how they locate, the fetch and the whereis commands are used in finding our binaries or our applications executable files. So note that. Okay, so this is where we are going to end our today's lesson. Today we have talked about the pwd, the ls, the cd, the whereis, the fetch, the locate, then the help. We have also talked about the help. So keep doing practicals, keep trying the commands. Don't worry if you get errors, keep trying for you to get the understanding.